Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to set up a Gmail account within 5 minutes. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to open your Google web browser and then you have to look for create Gmail account, or you can just simply type here Gmail, okay, gmail.com, or Gmail sign up, or Gmail create an account. So either ways, you can just simply look for Gmail and then you can see your options like this. So for example, this one right here, Google Help, create a Gmail account, create a Google account, and so on. So what we're going to do now is we're going to tap the Google support right here, or Gmail support, the second one. Okay, so create a Gmail account, tap this one. And what you're going to do next is you have to scroll down and click this create an account. Actually, you can do this, or you can create this using your Google web browser, or you can go to your Gmail and then click add an account. And then for setup, click Google. Now you have to verify that it's you who's using this device. So enter your phone number or fingerprint and then wait for a couple of seconds. Now here you have to click this create account and tap this for personal use. So after that, you can now proceed to next and then enter your name. Though last name is optional, I strongly suggest that you also put or enter your last name here. So once done, what you're going to do next is to click this next button, enter your birthday, gender, month, day, and year. So you can simply tap this arrow facing down and then look for that month here, your birthday, and then also the year. And for gender, you can select from this, or rather not this here, costume. So everything is up to you. Now click next. After that, pick a Gmail address or create your own. If you don't like this, then you can tap this create your own right here. And if this one is available, then you can tap next. Okay, so here's my Gmail account, Rian_Anderson 1990. And then once this one is okay or is available, then you can now create your password. So let me type your password right here. And then after that, click next. Now you can review your account and then everything is okay. Click next, then privacy and terms. You can read all of this here. And then after that, once everything is okay and you fully understood it, then click I agree. And then after that, just wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Then it will take you directly to your Gmail account. If you have an existing account right here or existing Gmail account, then what you're going to do is to click the profile and then scroll down till you see that Gmail account that you just have created. So scroll down, and as you can see, here's Rian Anderson, tap that one. Then that's how easy it is to set up a Gmail account within 5 minutes. So if you have found this video helpful, or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.